Biological Community in a Belizean Backyard. This documentary explores a biological community found in a grassy yard in Belize. A biological community is made up of different living organisms that live and interact within the same area. These organisms also depend on non-living environmental factors such as sunlight, water, soil, and temperature for survival. The ecosystem shown here is a small grassy yard. Although it appears simple, it supports many living organisms. This community includes grass, ants, soil microorganisms, fungi, and other insects that share the same habitat. Together with abiotic factors like sunlight, rainfall, air, and soil, these organisms form a functioning ecosystem. The first species observed is the black ant, belonging to the scientific family Formicidae. Ants are insects with 6 legs, 3 body segments, and 2 antennae. They are social insects that live in organized colonies consisting of a queen, worker ants, and reproductive individuals. The worker ants shown in the video are collecting food to transport back to their nest. Ants communicate using chemical signals called pheromones that help them follow trails and work together efficiently. The second species is grass, belonging to the family Poaceae. Grass is a producer because it makes its own food through photosynthesis. It converts sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose while releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Besides producing food, grass provides shelter for insects and it helps protect the soil from erosion. One interaction observed is the cooperation within the ant colony. The worker ants are together to transport food back to their nest. The cooperative behavior increases the survival of the colony. Another interaction is the relationship between producers and consumers. The grass acts as a producer because it creates food using sunlight, while the ants are consumers because they obtain energy from organic material rather than producing their own food. Rainfall and sunlight are important abiotic factors and influence this biological community. Rain increases soil moisture, while sunlight provides the energy needed for photosynthesis. These environmental conditions affect where ants build their nest, how active they become, and how well the grass grows. This small yard demonstrates that even ordinary places contain complex biological communities. The ants, grasses, microorganisms, soil, rainfall, and sunlight all interact to create a balanced ecosystem. Understanding these interactions helps us appreciate how every organism, regardless of its size, contributes to maintaining biodiversity and ecological stability.